guys, this is Joe Tech from Joe Tech Tips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And I have another cool product for you streamers who need a streaming microphone. And it's incredible quality, low cost, which is the best part about trying to do and get started with streaming. The best part about this, it comes with everything you need. It's USB powered. This is the entire kit. Comes with the pop filter, the shaft to hold on the pop filter, the screw to hold it in place, the nut to keep it tight, the actual microphone itself, and the shock mount and the tripod. This comes as a kit just like this, so it will sit on the desk like so. So the quality of this microphone is absolutely incredible. I'll be switching back and forth from the actual microphone that I'm recording for this video and the microphone that I'm using here, so you can hear the difference between the two. It's actually pretty good. I'm impressed because it is USB powered. You can plug this in the back of the computer. I'm actually plugging in the front of the computer, and it sounds amazing. I think this deserves another 4-star rating. I like it. I like it a lot. It probably sounds pretty darn good, and we're going to find out. So, I think it's an elegant looking microphone. I think it gets the job done for a streamer. It's low cost, and that is what is important. Good quality, great accessories, inexpensive. And that's what this is. Not much more I can say about this. So if you like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.